easy, creamy pasta recipe. If you want something simple and quick, yet super delicious, this is a recipe for you. Welcome to my channel. My name is Benji Travis. Subscribe for more recipes just like this one. Let's get right into the ingredients. First things first, we've got our olive oil, which we'll be using to cook up this recipe. We've got some garlic, we've got some onions. Our protein is some ground beef. We've got some jarred tomato sauce, anything will do. To enhance this, we've got some tomato paste, which is totally optional. We've got our heavy whipping cream. We've got our Parmesan cheese. Again, super optional. This is some basil. Last but not least, we've got our spaghetti, which is the pasta we're using. So let's start preparing these ingredients. All right, now that we got our ingredients prepared, let's start cooking. First thing I'm gonna do is warm up my pan. Really important, this is a quick sauce, so you want it on high heat. The great thing about high heat, it's gonna reduce your sauce a little bit to actually enhance the flavors. The bad part of high heat, it burns the sauce. You're gonna constantly stir this, okay? All right, now that my pan is nice and warmed up, I'm gonna go ahead and add some olive oil to it. There you go. Let that warm up for a little bit. Toss it all around, get it coated all over the bottom of the pan. I'm stirring my pasta, which I've got on a timer. If you're using a fresh pasta, of course, you don't need to cook your pasta 10 minutes ahead like my pasta is right now. Our olive oil is good to go. It's nice and warm. I'm gonna add in my garlic. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the onions. I'm just gonna get this softened so that it cooks into the meat a little bit easier. All right, so it's been about 30, 45 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and add my meat in there. I'm using ground beef right now. What I love about ground beef, it's easy. You don't have to chop anything. You just take it out of the package and you put it right in. All right, it's really important once you get your meat in there that you salt and pepper your dish. Remember, because you're adding that heavy whipping cream later, you want it a little bit more salty than you normally would have it so that it balances out the flavor. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna cook this for about 1 to 3 minutes, depending on how long it takes to cook your meat, until it's about golden brown. So your meat is done. I'm gonna go ahead and add my jarred sauce. This is a super simple recipe, so jarred sauce is perfect for it. All right, about 2 minutes into putting the sauce, you're gonna go ahead and add your tomato paste. And same thing here, you're just gonna incorporate it into your sauce and let it dissolve. And what you're gonna try to do is actually get your sauce mixture to reduce about 1/4 of the way, just to enhance and concentrate those tomato flavors. At this point, I can lower the temperature of the pan to about medium low. You don't wanna burn your heavy cream, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add that in there. You're gonna continue to stir as your sauce thickens. The sauce is perfect. I'm gonna lower the heat to the lowest setting. I'm gonna go ahead and add my Parmesan cheese in there, add my basil, and then I'm gonna add my finished pasta into the pan. Raise up the temperature of my stove to about medium high. I'm gonna go ahead and toss everything nice and smooth. Oh, baby. And you're just about ready to plate. That is looking amazing. Go ahead and put a little extra sauce on there, a little extra cheese. If you got some basil left over, throw on some color, and you're good to taste test. If you guys love pasta and you love creamy pasta sauce, you gotta try this out. Especially if you're a beginner, this is so simple, it's so easy, and really it's very, very quick. So if you need something last minute, this is the recipe for you and your family. You know I gotta taste test this, but before that, click or tap the screen right here to see all my pasta recipes. click or tap the screen right here to see my vlogs where I cook for my family. Let's taste this. Bomb diggity.